Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to wrap text in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to wrap text in Excel, you will see like this. So here you will see I have written a description here, but you will see it is floated through the next cell. Okay, so what you have to do to adjust these things, Excel has given a function wrap text option. So to wrap text, what you have to do, if I write any other things here in the next cell, you will see that the text is hidden. Okay, so no one can read all this the description. Okay, so to wrap to solve this problem, you have to just wrap the text. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to select the cell in which you have the description. Okay, so select the cell, and then you have to, here you will see at home tab you will see wrap text option, just click on it. So here you will see it, the text is wrapped and anyone can easily read. Okay, so like this you can wrap text in Excel. You can auto fit the height. Okay, or you can manually adjust the height. Or to auto fit, here you will see format option, just click on row, height and column. Okay, auto fit, and you can easily auto fit all these things. So like this you can wrap text in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this.